In front of me is HONOR Magic5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to install your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into settings right away. In settings, scroll down and click on apps section. Then select default apps and click on one of your default apps that you wish to manage. In my case, browser app. Over here, just click on your new downloaded one and tap on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!